everybody, Paul the Sound Guy, product specialist from Shure.
And Rachel Leonard, audio engineer at Sweetwater Studios.
Audio extraordinaire at Sweetwater Studios. Now, Rachel, have you ever mic'd a drum kit with nothing but SM57s?
I have. It's really fun. You should try it if you haven't.
Have you ever seen anybody mic a drum kit with nothing but SM7Bs?
I have not, actually. I've never tried it, and I've never seen it either.
We did. And it was awesome.
It was really cool.
Check it out.